Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Cortech Apex RR waterproof boots. Okay, the Apex RR waterproof boots retail for $149.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Waterproof sport riding boots is what we have here. These are super similar to the RR Air boots that we've already done a review on. That's been up for a couple of days now. This one features a waterproof membrane. It's a Hipora, so it's a quality waterproof membrane. I'll show you how far up the boot it goes. Right there, where the gator is. Sizing. I wear a size 12 US in almost every shoe out there. I would say the width of my feet leans a little towards the wide side. With this boot in the size 12, what I found was it was tough to put on, right? And I'm going to compare it to the other two that we just reviewed, the Adrenaline GP and the Apex RR. This one feels like it runs a half size smaller than those boots. In the 12 for me, getting my foot inside with the gator there, and then just the extra space inside of the boot, the waterproof liner and membrane takes up, they felt a little bit tighter. I feel like it's about a half size, so please use that in conjunction with the size chart to help choose the right size for you. Beyond that, what do we have here? I already showed you how far up the waterproof membrane goes. Got replaceable toe slider reinforcement here in the toe box. Reinforcement back here in the heel. It's got a crush-proof sole. We talk about that all the time. Anytime I do moto footwear, one of the big things is the sole has to be reinforced. If you're able to take the sole of your shoe, push like this and crush it, like say if you have a tennis shoe. You push a tennis shoe like that, it's just going to fold. You have a tip over on your bike and the bike lands on the side of your foot, it could crush your foot, do damage that nobody wants to deal with. So you need that reinforcement in the sole, and that's going to be from front to back as well, but certainly from side to side. This, of course, has that. There's your sole design. Impact protection for the ankle. There is armor that's built in to the ankle area here on both sides to help protect it. In terms of lateral ankle stability, this is more of just a street-going boot, right? So to err towards the side of comfort, these boots are going to move and flex laterally in the ankle area. They still provide a reasonable right amount of protection from impact, abrasion, then of course with the sole, but where they differ and separate themselves from more of a road race boot is you're not going to see the bracing externally to support the ankle. These boots are an excellent value, okay? Cortech is a great company. They've been producing stuff now for a long time. And these latest releases of gear and footwear over the last couple of years have really taken their product to the next level, but they've still managed to keep the prices at a very affordable rate. We sell a lot of Cortech, and the reason behind it is really simple. It is value. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.